Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to join a guild in Free Fire Max. To join a guild in Free Fire Max is super easy. Launch open the Free Fire Max app on your device and from the home screen, go ahead and tap on the little arrow button right under the friend list on the left hand side menu. This will bring up this pop-up menu where you need to tap on the option at the top in the middle, this one over here, and tap on Join Guild. You can now go ahead and browse through available guilds and tap on one that you like. After making a selection, click on Join. Click on Confirm and you will then be able to join a guild in Free Fire Max. Some guilds may require level or activity before joining, so make sure you check the requirements after you select the guild you want to join and join into it. In some cases, the guild leader must approve your request and you'll be the member of the guild once they accept you. So that is how you easily join a guild in Free Fire Max. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.